I'm Tom, and this is Paula Willinsky, owner of Ballantrae Farms, and Chef Nancy Henley.
Paula showed me around her picturesque barn full of drying garlic in late September. It reminded me of food travels in France, and here we were in my community just outside of Ancaster, Ontario. Now it's a cold November.
So how many cloves did you just plant?
We planted between 50 and 75,000 cloves, different varieties. We grow 25 varieties on this farm from around the world. Garlic is a tough plant. It will grow in just about anything, and it adapts itself as it grows. Different varieties have different number of cloves. This is music, and you'll get 5 to 7 cloves per head. I have garlics that will produce 18 cloves per head. I have a garlic called Mary Miller. The heads weigh 3 pounds.
Wow. What is your favorite part of garlic farming?
Eating it.
So Paula, you're presently in recovery from stage 4 cancer. Has garlic helped you in your healing journey?
It gives you a lot of strength to see that you can help something produce life when you're challenged with the fact that yours may be in trouble. Gardening generally is really good for the soul and very good for the body.
So Paula, where do you sell your garlic?
I sell my garlic to chefs who want different varieties and different flavors, and it also goes to garden markets and other growers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Paula.
Fresh local garlic. Find nutritious, delicious garlic recipes on our website.
Explore,
Grow,
heal.
Connect.
Delicious. Thanks, Paula.